In the vast world of natural remedies and wellness products, castor oil emerges as a powerhouse ingredient with a rich history and a plethora of health benefits. Derived from the seeds of the castor plant Ricinus communis, this versatile oil has been valued for centuries across various cultures for its medicinal and therapeutic properties. Today we embark on an enlightening journey to explore 13 powerful reasons why castor oil should hold a prized spot in your daily health and beauty regimen. From enhancing hair and skin health to offering natural solutions for pain and inflammation, castor oil's benefits are as diverse as they are significant. Prepare to be amazed by how this simple yet potent oil can transform your approach to natural wellness. Number 1. Promotes hair growth. One of the most celebrated benefits of castor oil is its ability to promote hair growth. The secret lies in its rich content of ricinoleic acid, a type of fatty acid that has been shown to improve blood circulation to the scalp, thus nourishing hair follicles and encouraging stronger, healthier hair growth. Many users report noticeable improvements in hair thickness and growth speed after regular application. Furthermore, castor oil's moisturizing properties help in preventing hair breakage and contribute to overall hair health, making it a must-have for anyone dreaming of lush, vibrant locks. Number 2. Enhances skin health. Castor oil is a boon for skin health, thanks to its deep moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. Its high concentration of fatty acids penetrates the skin, hydrating it deeply and leaving it supple and soft. Moreover, its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective natural treatment for acne-prone skin, helping to reduce redness and prevent breakouts. Regular use of castor oil can result in a clearer, smoother complexion that radiates natural beauty. Number 3. Natural anti-inflammatory. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil extend beyond skincare, offering relief in various inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and swollen lymph nodes. Applying castor oil directly to the affected area can help reduce swelling and alleviate pain, providing a natural alternative to synthetic anti-inflammatory medications. This makes castor oil a valuable tool in the natural management of chronic inflammatory diseases. Number 4. Moisturizing properties. Castor oil stands out as an exceptional natural moisturizer, thanks to its rich fatty acid content. These fatty acids lock moisture into the skin, preventing dryness and promoting a healthy, hydrated complexion. Its thick consistency makes it an excellent choice for treating dry, cracked heels, elbows, and other areas prone to extreme dryness. Moreover, castor oil's natural humectant properties help in retaining skin moisture, ensuring your skin remains soft and hydrated longer. Whether used on its own or mixed with other natural ingredients, castor oil is a straightforward yet effective solution for anyone seeking to enhance their skin's moisture levels naturally. Number 5. Relief from constipation. Castor oil has a well-documented history of use as a natural laxative. When consumed, it stimulates the muscles of the intestines, facilitating bowel movements and providing relief from constipation. Its efficacy as a quick-acting laxative makes it a go-to remedy for occasional constipation relief. However, it's important to use castor oil for this purpose under medical supervision, as incorrect usage can lead to adverse effects. When used appropriately, castor oil can be a powerful natural aid in maintaining digestive health. Number 6. Boosts immune system. Emerging research suggests that castor oil may have beneficial effects on the immune system. Its ability to increase the production of lymphocytes, white blood cells that play a critical role in the body's defense mechanisms, indicates its potential as an immune system booster. This enhancement of the immune response can help the body better fight infections and recover from illnesses more swiftly. Incorporating castor oil into your wellness routine could, therefore, provide an added layer of protection against various health challenges. Number 7. Pain relief. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties of castor oil make it an effective natural remedy for alleviating pain, including headaches, back pain, and menstrual cramps. Applying castor oil topically to the affected area can help reduce pain and discomfort without the need for over-the-counter pain medications. Its soothing effects are particularly beneficial for those seeking a natural approach to pain management, offering a gentle yet effective alternative. Number 8. Promotes wound healing. Castor oil's impact on wound healing is another testament to its therapeutic versatility. Its ability to stimulate tissue growth helps wounds heal faster, reduces the chance of scarring, and keeps the area moisturized, which is crucial for healthy healing. Applying castor oil to small cuts, abrasions, or even surgical incisions can accelerate the healing process, thanks to its antimicrobial properties that protect the wound from infections. This natural remedy can be a valuable addition to your first aid kit, offering a gentle yet effective option for managing minor wounds. Number 9. Antifungal Properties. The antifungal properties of castor oil make it an effective treatment for combating fungal infections such as athlete's foot, ringworm, and scalp infections. Its undesalinic acid content is particularly adept at killing fungi, providing relief from symptoms and preventing the spread of the infection. By applying castor oil directly to the affected area, you can harness its natural antifungal benefits, offering a safer and often more pleasant alternative to chemical-based antifungal treatments. Number 10. Reduces acne. For those battling acne, castor oil may offer a natural solution to this common skin concern. Its antimicrobial properties help fight the bacteria that cause acne, while its anti-inflammatory effects reduce redness and swelling. Additionally, castor oil's ability to deeply moisturize without clogging pores makes it suitable for all skin types, including oily and acne-prone skin. Incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine can help manage acne flare-ups and promote a clearer, healthier complexion. Number 11. Prevents stretch marks. The prevention of stretch marks is another area where castor oil shines. Its ability to improve skin elasticity reduces the risk of stretch marks, particularly during pregnancy or periods of rapid weight change. By keeping the skin moisturized and flexible, castor oil helps it withstand stretching, making it a valuable preventive measure for anyone looking to maintain smooth, unblemished skin. Regular application to areas prone to stretch marks can offer significant protective benefits. Number 12. Enhances eyelash and eyebrow growth. Castor oil is renowned for its ability to enhance the growth of eyelashes and eyebrows. Its nourishing fatty acids strengthen hair follicles, promoting thicker, longer, and healthier growth. Many users apply castor oil nightly to their lashes and brows as a natural alternative to cosmetic products designed for this purpose. The results speak for themselves, with many reporting noticeable improvements in both fullness and length over time. Number 13. Natural sleep aid. Lastly, castor oil's benefits extend to improving sleep quality. Its relaxing effect on the body can help soothe tension and facilitate a more restful night's sleep. Applying castor oil to the forehead or soles of the feet before bedtime is a traditional remedy for insomnia and sleep disturbances. This natural sleep aid can be a valuable tool for those seeking to enhance their sleep naturally, rounding out the myriad ways in which castor oil supports overall health and well-being. The 13 powerful reasons to use castor oil outlined above highlight its remarkable versatility and efficacy as a natural remedy. From promoting hair and skin health to offering relief from pain, constipation, and sleep disturbances, castor oil's benefits are both broad and profound. Incorporating this natural oil into your daily routine can significantly enhance your health and well-being, proving that sometimes the simplest remedies are among the most effective. Embrace the natural goodness of castor oil and discover the transformative effects it can have on your life.